What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Pure Panorama and today is gonna be a little bit different. We are actually gonna do some stuff at work. We are tiling walls in this kitchen, kind of give you a little runaround of how we do tile and what we do. And if the video seems to be well received, anybody wants to know anything more as far as tiling or things like that, then you can leave it in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to try and answer what I can for you, and maybe possibly we can get into doing other videos on these types of topics to kind of show you more how to do it a little bit more in depth. We will probably talk about some stuff with the truck later on towards the end of the video, so if you want to see that, either skip to the end to check for it or just hang out, watch this, enjoy it, and we'll see you in a little bit. I tried to do what I could, like down at my post office, and try to get answers, but he told me with you guys shipping it that you're more the customer and they won't deal with me. Yeah, they were like beating around the bush and wouldn't really tell me anything, so that is kind of frustrating, I guess. It just seemed like they didn't want to take any responsibility or anything for their side of things when clearly something happened when they were in their possession. Well, I appreciate it so much, thank you. Look forward to working with you guys in the future as well too. Alright, I'll be in touch, thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. I'll be receiving parts tomorrow from Diesel Auto Power. That's what I like to hear, man. They sent them back out, didn't wait for the post office to contact them back. They're gonna start the claim with the post office here. They said they had to wait 14 days in order to start the claim with the postal service, but they didn't wait and waste any time. They did send them back out to me Monday, so we are gonna be getting our parts here tomorrow from Diesel Auto Power. Look forward to that in a video. I'm excited, and I think you're going to be excited too, because you're going to start to get a little bit of an idea and a feel for what I plan to do with the truck. Let's go finish our day off at work, and then we will continue to talk about the truck. What I want to touch base on is the things that we have coming up with the truck. As you know, we have the HX35W turbo that we are planning to have some work done to, and then we are going to get that installed on the truck. I'm thinking about and having thoughts about doing a new manifold with it. I'm not 100% certain yet if I'm going to do that. That's always something that I could revisit later. If I wanted to pop the turbo off, I could always do that later. For the sake of time and whatnot, I may just go ahead and have the turbo work done and then put the turbo on. But we also do need to do a VP44 injection pump on the truck, which is top notch at the top of the list. Super big priority to get that done. So we're actually going to be looking to order the VP44 within the next couple months so that we can get that taken care of as soon as spring gets here and the weather starts to warm up a little bit. With spring coming, we're going to be all over that VP44 trying to get that done. We also have our parts coming in from Diesel Auto Power. So once those come in, we will have those parts, and we'll have the HX35 Turbo sitting here on deck ready to go so that we can keep piecing things together. And then obviously we have to order the injection pump. And I also want to look to do an intake horn on the truck as well. I don't know what ones I want to do yet, so I need to do some more research on that and figure out what brand I want to go with. My only major plans with the truck other than that as of right now are to just keep knocking out general maintenance type stuff that the previous owner had neglected and failed to do on the truck. So we need to take care of some U-joints and carrier bearing on the rear drive shaft, which will get done sooner than later because I need to have that done. If whether I do it or I send it down the road to the guy that has the shop right down the street, that's going to be getting done. We are going to drop the transmission pan on this truck and swap out the fluid and filter, check out the governor pressure solenoid. I might just put a new one in just for shits and giggles, just so that is revamped and good, and I know the life expectancy of that, and I know that it's fresh and good to go. And while we're at it, cracking things open and dropping pans, we're going to drop the front diff and the rear diff covers, drain them out, and get all fresh gear oil in the differentials. And when we have the front diff open, we also need to pull out the axle shafts, and we need to do an axle seal right here on this right front. But if we're doing the right front, we got to do the left front as well. So we are going to be doing new axle seals on the truck. That is something I have a guy who did my last truck, and I'm honestly thinking of having him do this one too, just so I don't have to dive into it. But we'll come to that conclusion later once we get closer to it. I'm not really too worried about that right now because I don't have to use four-wheel drive. Winter really hasn't been that bad. I've only had the truck in 4x4 mode I think 4 times, and it's only been for short periods of time. Otherwise I've been kicking it in two-wheel drive this whole time, all winter. We don't really have the front diff engaged all that much, so I'm not in a super big rush to do that, but we do need to take care of it nonetheless, and it's going to be coming, like I said, whether I do it or I have the dude who did my last truck do it. I do want to ask my subscribers right now if there was one thing within reason that you would like to see in a video with my 2001 24 valve Cummins, as far as work, maintenance, modification, anything along those lines. I want you guys to put it in the comment section down below. Is there something that you might want to see done with the truck? Is there something you want to see me do and make a video on just as like a how-to or a tutorial to try and help you or a buddy of yours out? Let me know in the comment section, and we will put that in motion as well and try to do something as far as giving back to the people who I have right now as subscribers. I really appreciate you guys right now, and I'm still seeing that number grow a little bit, and it's very exciting to me, and just it makes me so happy. So the least I can do is ask if there's anything that you guys would like to see, or if there's something that you think I should do with the truck, or you think would be good for the truck or look cool or whatever. Put it in the comment section, and we will we'll come up with a solution as far as how to choose one thing, and we will move forward with that idea. But as of right now, as we're riding out these last few weeks of winter, there's not going to be too many videos of me doing work with the truck and stuff like that. Maybe little stuff here and there, but I'm trying to come up with some other video ideas as of right now that I can film and put up here on the channel for you guys just to keep things going. I'm just going to try to lay off the truck for right now as far as any major repairs. I'm going to try to stack up some funds and try to collect some more parts so that when the weather is good, we can get everything we need and want, and we can just jump into it balls deep and get everything on the truck and just be ready to have fun this summer. So like I said, if there's any video ideas or anything that you guys would like to see or you want me to do and make, put it down there in the comment section. Let me know, and I will get on it and start coming up with some fun things that we can do and fun ways to put videos together to get onto the channel. I want to make this channel fun for not only myself, because I do love doing this and playing with the camera and filming and with the truck and all that stuff, but I want it to be fun and entertaining for anybody who is subscribed to my channel or comes across the channel. So I want to give back to you guys in that respect and make sure that the content I am putting out is stuff that you are liking and wanting to see more of and stuff. So I want to know from you guys, what you'd like to see. My main reason for coming on in this video right now was just to say these next few weeks I'm gonna lay low with spending money and things like that, try to save as much as I can so that we can finish acquiring parts to make this truck a little bit more fun to drive and a little bit more fun to do some cool stuff with this summertime, so that we can get that good fun content up on the channel. That's it from me right now. Hit that like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video with some new parts from Diesel Auto Power and some more news on the next parts that I'm going to be ordering for my 2001 24 Valve Cummins.